Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is free to join. You sign up, make a profile, and if you're selected or if you win one of their boxes, you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you log in and share your thoughts about the products that are inside. And I will put all their social media below because they do give out boxes on there as well. So the first item is Kapop. This is rosemary garlic. That sounds amazing. Popped chips. I bet those are really good. I love rosemary and garlic. Next up, Lanolin Oil. Daily Moisturizing Cream. And this is from Australian Creams. Never heard of this company, so happy to try that. They always send like a mix of like food, snacks, lotions, stuff like that. So you always get a variety of products. Oh, I'm excited for these. Dark chocolate sea salt caramels. Those look so good. Yum. Next up we have some energy infused energy gummies. Cool. Folic acid for optimal sports performance. There's pretty many in there. There's 11 gummies, it says, in one bag. So they sent this one. No, this one's berry flavor, and this one is a citrus flavor. Cool. I feel like I can definitely use those. Also have a beverage, dry sparkling vanilla. Naturally flavored soda with other natural flavors. Cool. Pop that in the fridge and have that when it's nice and cold. Couple more items. This is Built Protein and Energy chocolate bar. So there's two of them inside. One is a coconut almond and this one is a peanut butter. Calories differ a little bit, but they have pretty much protein, fiber, very little sugar. Very cool. And then we have two wellness ginger shots. So this one says Energize, and this one says Daily Ginger. I do like ginger, but I don't think I've ever had a ginger shot, so I will have to give these a try. Very interesting. Lots of B12 in there. Cool. This is a fun box. I'm going to enjoy this one. Then they always have a little paper clip with some additional information about the products, sometimes coupons. So here's like $1 off. Talking about their lotions. Protein bar. Get a sample box for $14.99 plus free shipping. Very cool. So if you guys want to sign up for this website, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.